Oh, Tommy. To kingdom come. At my okay, this ain't a trail. I gave up on it. I gave up. I gotta change this tactic here. That's twice. Alright, no haste. In my hand. For much too long. That's what I am. Through the land. AI. Shortcut, stage right. That's the way it is. Oops. All right, next time I come here, no sticks, no nothing. I'm fucking blasted. Might need a Red Bull. Hey, that's the way it goes. I'll give you a video. I'll show you what it's like to run through that thing. Oh yeah. You're on the bloodstained land. Genetic engineers try to save the inner man. I am the system. Will destroy. Well, I'm back on the trail. I guess God, He wants me to go down Glen, and so it shall be. So much for my stage right with the lion exit. I forgot the name of that cartoon. You know that lion when he wants to get out of trouble. He goes stage left or stage right. Ooh, I think I feel a little bit of crampage. Crampage 1, crampage 2. Is this Charlie? He's a punk rock god. Charlie Harper. Let's give it up. Give it up for the UK subs. Yeah. It's proper and it's Cockney. Do it. Yeah. I wanna be like Charlie Harper. Air guitar. And he loves me, and he loves me, and I love him. No one's so sweet and no one's so sharp. I wanna be like Charlie Harper. And he loves me. Bum 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 bum. James T. Kirk. Air guitar. Here. There. I wanna be like a Charlie Harper. Woo! Thank you, Hashem. Thank you. Thank you. No one's so proper than Daddy-O in heaven. He gives you the ticket to ride. What's going on here? It's closed. Closed. Well, where is it? I want to go that way. I don't want to go that way. Hey, I'm not going to Glen Oga, man. I'm going down this way. I don't care. Almost so sweet. Charlie Harper. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, going down I like these sticks. They take a little absorption off. Hey, I gotta heal up, man. And he loves me. And he loves me. See all day. Okay. It's the loop-a-loop. Loop-de-loop. Ooh, this song's great. Oh god, this song's good. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, this song here. We want to have fun and we want to get wasted. This is the top. You know, Hashem, you know what I mean. How many we got wasted? What do you want? Jackass 50? Come on! Oh boy, Jackass 4, it's enough. Oh yeah. This is the top of Glen, God bless. I'm gonna veer off it.